Hi, my name is Caitlin. Thank you so much for checking out my video. Today I'm just going to do a quick video about diffusing essential oils. So those of you that have watched my videos or know me know that I do love essential oils and I love diffusing them. Diffusing essential oils is the easiest way to get it in our bloodstream. Even my 3-year-old daughter can do it with supervision, of course. So when we breathe in the essential oils, we are triggering our olfactory system. And that's the part of the brain that deals with smell. This is really cool because it gets right into our body and gets working pretty much immediately. So when we inhale the essential oils, we are triggering our limbic system. So this is really awesome because our limbic system takes care of so many things in our body. Things like memory, blood pressure, heart rate, stress, emotion, breathing, and hormone regulation. So it's amazing that we can support this system of our body so easily with diffusing essential oils. I have several diffusers because I do love them. The one behind me you can see right there is a dewdrop diffuser. That was the first diffuser that I ever got, and it's super easy to work. There's only one button. You can turn it on with the blue light, turn it on with no light, or turn it off. My next diffuser, that is one of my favorites. I also have the Desert Mist, which I love, but this one I actually won for free, so it has a little special place in my heart. Plus, it matches my home decor. I just love the way it looks. This is the Lantern diffuser, and this is sold by Young Living as well as the diffuser behind me. And those of you that know me know I am Young Living all the way, and for more information why, check out some of my other videos. So this is super easy. You take off the decorative top, and then here's the inside, and then you take off this little guy. All of the insides pretty much look the same. The decorative ones just have different tops. So let's see. All diffusers are going to have a little mark to show you where to fill the water. Some have a little red dot, some are just a line, but there's a definite mark and you don't want to fill the water over that. If you fill the water under, that's fine, just not over. So you're going to take your water and pour it in. Simple, right? And then we're just going to pick an oil. So you can use different oils for different things. One of my favorite oils is peppermint. It's just great to diffuse. I diffuse it at work, and it gives you that little pep in your step. You can diffuse it in the morning while you're getting ready for work. If you have a headache, it's great. I just love the way it smells. And it smells so good blended with other things, like I love peppermint and orange, or peppermint and stress away. Peppermint and lavender and lemon are great together. There's just endless possibilities. So love this one. So in a bedroom, I might only do 1 or 2 drops of peppermint, maybe 3 drops of lavender or something like that. But in rooms, you want to start small and then build up. The most I usually do is like 8 drops, and that's in a big room. So and 8 drops of peppermint would be really strong. So maybe like 8 drops of lemon or lavender or something in a bigger room. But I'm just going to do 1 drop right now. So you're just going to do 1 drop. And that's it, right? Super easy. That's why these bottles last forever. This bottle has about 250 to 300 drops. So if I'm only using 1 or 2, this bottle is going to last a long time, which I do love. Alrighty, so you just put the top on, and then the decorative top. This one has a bunch of different light settings. So to turn it on, there's the button that is the on button, and then the other button looks like a light bulb. So to turn it on, you just press the button. This will go at full steam, so this is the max that it will go. Then if you press it again, this is still consistent, but not as full steam, so this is like the second setting. And then the third one is intermittent. This is the one that I use a lot. I use this at work so that I can put my oils in the morning, and then I don't have to worry about it for the rest of the day. This is great too. You can set it up like an hour before you go to bed, and your whole room will smell great, and it will run throughout the night. Then there's different light settings. So there was the real bright one you just saw. This one's a little less bright. I love this one. This one's really great for ambiance. It's like a candle flicker. So for those of you that are still holding on to your candles but know how toxic they can be and dangerous, here you go. You got a candle. Then the red's cool. This setting of the red, because it goes through all the light colors. So it will start with red, then orange, yellow, green, blah, blah, blah. Then there's just consistent red, orange, yellow, green, purplish blue, dark blue, pink, and then off. So the off setting's really nice if you're using it at night, right? You don't want the light on. And then to turn it off, you just hit the on button again. What's great about all of the Young Living diffusers as well is that as soon as the water is done and it's all in the air, the diffuser turns off. So you don't have to worry about, oh shoot, I forgot to turn my diffuser off before I went to work, or you know, you don't want to leave it on at night while you're sleeping like you would a candle or something like that. You don't have to worry, it will shut off. So that's great. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the video and learned something new. If you have any questions, you can always send me a message here, or you can check out my website. My website is bit.ly/catchyourdreams. So that's bit.ly/catch-your-dreams. So I hope you have a great night, and hope to see you back here on YouTube another day.